This is my 1969 VW campervan. It's a T2 early bay, sorry, and we've had it for a few years now, and thought I'd show you around it, some of the jobs that have been done on it. Just making this video because I'm now about to do a T5, but we're still keeping the T2, so it's a lovely little bus. Spent a lot of time on it, and it's okay. We like it. It's not everybody's choice or taste, but it's okay for us. Okay, that's the bus, and of course this is my little pup Mickey. Hello, gorgeous. Inside the bus I put a SMEV hob and sink. It's a sink there with just a cold water tap and a 2-burner hob on this side. It's been in a few years now. We never really use it, to be honest with you. We don't cook in the van, we cook outside. That's just a little bit just to show you around the inside of the bus. My wife made the curtains and the cushions, of course, which look really nice. I made the seats and upholstered the seats and the cupboards and everything else. What we use mainly when we're away is this, which is the jet boil. That's what we use. If you haven't seen these things, look them up. They're brilliant. They boil 2 cups of water in under 2 minutes. That's probably why we don't use the hob in here, because this thing is absolutely great. It's very light. You put it in your backpack when you go away. Uses these tiny little jet boil packs. They're not expensive, about £5, and you get, you know, maybe 30 cups of tea out of them, which is ideal. This is a walk-through model, which only has 2 seats in the front, and this bit here is where you walk through to the back, but we've got just a temporary seat. I've made a little temporary seat to go in there for our little puppy Mickey, so he rides up front with us when we're out and about, and then the seat just slides out and allows us to use it as the walk-through model. It's got 62,000 miles on it at the moment. Not really 100% sure how genuine that is, but I reconditioned the engine a couple of years ago, changed all of the suspension underneath. It's got a brand new suspension, brand new brakes, so everything on the bus is virtually new. A lot of the panels were changed during the restoration, which was a few years ago now, and she's holding up pretty well anyway. In the back we've got a split charge relay, which runs you know, takes the charge from the engine. It'll that's the split charge relay. It once the main battery, which is this one, is fully charged, it then shuts off and transfers the charge from the dynamo, which isn't a lot, over to the leisure battery, which is on this side. The leisure battery runs all the stuff in the van, the lights, the fridge, etc., and it serves us well. We do have a little portable solar panel that we take away sometimes, but mostly we'll get a good few days out of the leisure battery. Around the back we got a Fiamma bike rack for 2 bikes, which is what we need when we go away. We take a couple of bikes with us, it's ideal. I put a little tow bar on the back there, because we tow our teardrop with it. You'd probably struggle to tow a caravan or anything like that unless you wanted to go slower than normally slow, and but it's ideal for what we want to use it for. I put a Fiamma awning on it, which is really useful when you're just out for the day and you want a little bit of shelter. It's the F35 Pro. It just pulls out, and I'm not going to pull it out, but it's the same colour. It matches the van. It's fitted to the pop top, which is on the Danbury conversion. It was an original Danbury conversion, the bus when it was first done. It hasn't got the original Danbury interior in now, but it's still a Danbury conversion with the Danbury pop top. I have changed the skylight in the pop top because the old one had it, and it's also got the solid floor, which you can't see underneath the chassis, which Danbury did to give strength when they cut the hole in the roof. They wanted to put the strength back in the bus, so they welded a big plate over the bottom. I put the Propex 2000 heater in. There's the controls for it, and the hot air vent comes out there. Runs off gas. There are other versions available, but it's in this case it's just gas. We run it off the refillable gas supply.